Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to remove the background from photos on your iPad. So the first step is to open the Photos app, then select your image. Once you've selected your image, what you want to do is long press on the object you want to remove with one finger and then drag it. So with the other hand, you want to swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then from here you can choose to open your messaging app or your notes app. And then if you've opened your messaging app, tap on the message bar and then place the photo on top. So with that done, you should see your image there, and now you can send the photo without the background. Alternatively, if you want to use the Photos app, so let's choose a different image such as this one. If you want to use the Photos app, again, long press, use your other hand to swipe to the home screen, go to Notes, and then on your new note, just place the image there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.